friends, what's up? I hope you are having an amazing day. But if you don't, I'm gonna do my best to make your day much better, as I always do, guys. So, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're gonna go with the second Mini-Tin. Episode 2, you know, of the Celebrations Mini-Tins. The second generation, Chikorita, Totodile, and Cyndaquil. This is my favorite, Cyndaquil. It's a beautiful Pokemon. Oh my god, they all are. Wow. But guys, before we open up this beautiful tin, I have thought about a name for this channel. Would you like to have a name on this channel? Like be a part of something bigger? Yeah. So comment down below what you think about this name. Is it good? Is it bad? Should we have it? Should we not have it? I don't know. But here we go. Welcome guys to the True Collector Crew. True Crew? Catchy? So yeah guys, comment down below what you think about this name. True Collector Crew. Welcome guys. Be a part of True Collector Crew. Okay, yeah, enough about that. Comment down below please. Let's open up this beautiful tin. What the hell? Okay, ruining the tin. I don't know. Oh, there. Woo! Bye bye. There we go. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, look at the picture. Oh. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I can watch it all day long. Come on, look at this. Oh. Amazing. Can't wait to have them all. Let's put it there. Put that aside. We got one more silver coin. Pikachu celebration. A big coin. Look at this. Oh, it's a big one. Cool. Okay. Celebrations, and Darkness Ablaze. Oh, Charizard! Charizard, where are you? We're gonna hunt him down. Let's go ahead and open up Celebrations. Okay. It's gonna be good. Yeah, there we go. Boom, boom. Let's take a smell, guys. You don't forget to smell the packs. I hope not. They smell lovely. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Have you pulled a Charizard from this set? I haven't. But I want to. Zekrom. We got a Dialga. We got a Blastoise. Woohoo! Yes! Ah! Oh! Oh! Viking. Beautiful. Boom! Pikachu. Let's go. Fire pack. Booyah! We got 3 Blastoise. Oh my god. I gotta sleeve him up, and where's my sleeves? Where's my sleeves? I have no clue. So let's let them be there, carefully laying there on the table, yo, and open up the next pack, yo. Ah. And pull the sword or Venusaur, okay? It's fine. Okay, careful. Careful! Ooh, wouldn't it be lovely to like grade all the Blastoise, Venusaurs, and Charizard if I pull the Charizard? Hopefully. Okay, let's smell. Ah, come on! You gotta smell it, guys. Ooh, it's a gold card, and it's for you. Oh, you took it! Oh my god, it's gone. Okay, Dialga. We got a Dialga. Xerneas and Yveltal. What I'm saying? Yveltal. Woohoo! Flying Pikachu VMAX. Let's go! I got so many of these, but they are beautiful. I love this set. The pulls are crazy in this set. Love it. Charizard, where are you? Will it be my third Charizard VMAX? If so, this video is ending fast because I'm gonna die. Okay. Boom. Yo! Shout out Dan! Dragon Ball Dan! Can you hear me, man? Shout out! Dragon Ball Dan! Okay. Sorry, guys. Psychic. Boom! Fire! It was here. It was here! But I didn't take it out. No. I said psychic instead. Okay, it's fire. We got a Parasect. We got a Liron. Glimwood Tangle. Okay. We got a Capchu. Skarmory. Gothita. Paras. Come on. Marip me. Steenie. Reverse. And oh, Aggron Hollow. Okay, it's not the best, biggest, beautiful, amazing card, but look at the artwork. Aggron. I like Aggron as a Pokemon, seriously. But I really like this one. Let's go. Not bad. I'll take it. Well, guys, it was kind of a fast video. But comment down below, guys, what you think about this name. Welcome to the True Collector Crew. Hopefully you like it. If not, well, we can think about something else. I don't know. But, guys, oh, look at this, guys. I just got this. Toxtricity! I need to have all the Toxtricities. My boy's there. Ooh, I love Toxtricity. Best Pokemon. Let's go. Beautiful card from Fusion Strike. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Going into the binder. My own Toxtricity binder. Right there. There somewhere. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. Come on. Subscribe if you like the video. If you like the channel, hit the like button. Yo. And yeah, thank you so much. All of you. You are so many people on the channel. It's crazy. Woo! I'm getting sweaty. All you people watching me. Well, I'm shrinking. No. But you guys rock! Seriously, do good things, do what you like, and be happy! Always be happy. See you in the next one, guys. Rock out, fellas!